Hello. All right. Yeah, I think you could hear me. So let's get started. All right. So my name is Dennis, and today I'll talk about my project. It's called Decorban Mamparas. Decorban is the place I'm working right now, and Mamparas is the product that we're working with, right? So you can see my username, my GitHub username. Today is the 1st of November of 2025. So let's get started. I just have 3 minutes, so I will talk quickly. Okay, so I create like a bunch of the tables. It's like probably eight or nine. So we create the first table. It represent my parts. You can see its variables. We use primary key functions, so it's like to show that each variable is unique. It doesn't repeat. And we use foreign key references. So in order to show that this table is connected, and show like two references to show where to search a specific information. All right. Then represented plastic materials, plasticos, profile materials like color, finish of flame, black, white. It's in profiles. Then we use glass types, videos. We represent price integration for each product. We call it price. Then media. After that, and then we created indexes. It's like catalog to optimize our searching, like to do it more like faster, right? So and then it's 1 minute and a half, right? So I'll talk about my SQL file. So in the first block we used select to search like find all mamparas given their name, for example series 300 angular, then mamparas for a specific type, for example frontal or angular. This case is frontal. Then with mamparas we used it like domination of nm and profiles as SAP. And so for example Mamparas has its specific ID, and we linked it to profile table with the join on function to search for a specific color that in this case is black. So we link these two tables and to search it like by specific ID. So the link to search like in this guy's case is the black color. All right. So then find all Mamparas is pretty much the same function. Medidas is the measurement. After that, find the price for a specific Mampara, pretty much the same with the code. Then find all Mamparas whose selling price exceeds a given amount. It's a precio final, final price more than 400. We're searching those that are more than 400. Find the specific margin. We used Mampara has its code and its name, so we used round two. It's the number with the two decimals. The final price minus initial price, it's the margin. And then if we use final price minus initial price divided by initial price multiplied by 100 is the percentile margin. All right, so it's will show you in percent, and we used a descending function. All right, so it's 3 minutes. It's just 2 seconds more. Okay, I'm sorry. Find all components and their costs. We used despise as a D, components as a C. So we linked with the join function, mampara ID. And so the estimated cost, we use the sum function, C cost, and we put it in the variable of cost total components, all right? And we grouped it by ID. And this last three blocks is like to introduce a new information to our existing database, insert into Mamparas with its variables. In this case are the components with this type of components and the prices. So this is pretty much it. I hope you liked it. Sorry for 40 seconds more, but it's a long code. I hope you liked the explanation. Thank you.